And everyone, Louis Crypto here, back with another quant update for you. Make sure you do like, subscribe, comment if you haven't already. It's really important for the engagement. That's how we bump up the algorithm and grow as a channel. So quant, there's a few things to talk about on the lower time frames. The daily is that we're between $94 and $100 as our area of support. Currently above that, any dumps to it should just be bought up. We've seen that with these pumps, but the pumps have been getting weaker and weaker, forming lower highs and lower highs and lower highs. This most recent bounce is still beneath the 20 and the 55, and it makes sense. This is resistance, so pumping into that area should get a rejection. We'll zoom into that on the lower time frames, of course. But yeah, even though we've got these bearish moving averages over here, this is still support. This is where we should bounce from. We're only going to believe we are going to meet this head and shoulders target over here on the loss of $94. So that would be a target of between $77 and $82. 77 to $83, my mistake. So going to head down now to the 4-hour time frame. I think what I wanted to show you is on the 1 hour. Let me just check the 1 hour real quick. Yeah, well, okay, we'll start with the 4 hour, then we'll go into the 1 hour. It's pretty much the same thing, but I'm going to be measuring from the top to the low now. Just like this, and we see that we rejected the golden pocket over here. So the reverse wave has not been created. We need to push price through 109. Let's just call 1010. So we need price to push through 1010, and then this is where we get a pump towards this top band over here between 115 and 120. So a pump above $110 with 4 hour closes, let's just say daily candle closes, then we get this pump towards $115 to $120. Until then, this remains resistance. In fact, from this point, we should get rejected. We're only suggesting price will go up to these levels with the reversal wave being created above the golden pocket over here. If you're not understanding the fibs too much, I have things in place for you to take action on. I've got discounts at the moment, which will last until the 1st of July. So you just need to hit the links in the description below. It's going to bring you to my link tree. Just click the Twitter link over here. We've hit 2,000 followers. Much appreciated, guys. If you want to private message me over here or follow along with the updates. We had some incredible news with VeChain yesterday. Coinbase is listing it. I know this is a quant video, but we had a lot of cryptos dumping off when Binance US and Coinbase got sued, and VeChain was one of those, and we can see that Coinbase is now listing VeChain, so we're pumping up a lot with that. So this is where I'm going to update you guys. Also made a Bitcoin update, which I do urge you all to actually go watch, and I'll link that at the end of this video. It should just pop up. So yeah, that at the moment, and this is going to affect quant as well. So we're currently looking like we've met the target out of this falling wedge. After doing so, you usually do tend to reverse, so it would make sense to come back to before we broke out over here, we had a second falling wedge, and this was the target. So after meeting the second one's target, you know, if we were to dump, it would be back down to that first initial target. But now as support, we would need to see that hold support with this bullish crossover here. This will affect quant. If we were to dump from here, then quant is going to see a dump. And we'll look at the location where it will dump to exactly, but it pretty much is in and around, you know, the $94 to $100 area that needs to hold as support, and while above it is support, so we should expect bounces even if we do dump. And that would make sense because Capo spoke for the first time in a while as well. But yeah, going back to this, yeah, so that would be Bitcoin coming down to here and quant going back down, but we can see the bullish cross on the daily time frame has just formed. So that's a bullish factor. That's saying we're now in an uptrend, so we need to hold that and confirm that support, and that would be quant coming back down to key levels of support. If Bitcoin were to bounce from this area over here, confirming that bullish cross, then we expect quant to come back down to this area and bounce again. That is if we don't create the reversal wave. That is if Bitcoin actually dumps. But of course, we can see a bullish pattern actually forming over here, a bull pennant, and this takes Bitcoin to 33 to 34k. So that would be quant breaking through this golden pocket over here, creating the reversal wave, looking to head towards $115 to $120. Okay, I hope that was very clear for you guys. If not, this is why I'd say join the chat, take action on the course, or do the one-to-one mentorship. I'll explain more details on the chat at the end of this video. But heading over to the 1 hour time frame now, where I want to zoom in a bit further. We again saw the rejection on the 4 hour time frame over here. Look at it on the 1 hour, exactly had a nice signal over here, being a shooting star on around $107. So I'm going to get rid of this now because we can see this rally up into here, coming back down, retracing to key levels of support before trying to continue and break that high. which would be a break of this level. So Quant came into there, reversed, found key levels of support, which so happens to be higher. Sorry if you can hear my dog snoring, she's under the desk. But yeah, came back down, trying to come down to this low, failed, put in that higher low, now looking for that continuation to create the reversal wave, something like this. But there's key areas in the way, as we can see. I'm going to zoom out a little bit to the 4-hour time frame, and when we head to the left, the structure is giving me a lot of clues. I see a key level of resistance over here that we have rejected multiple times in the past, but we can see the most recent rejection is not testing that area, so we can draw a box. I'm going to get the perfect box for you, but at the moment I'm just going to draw this, then we'll scale down to the 1-hour time frame and look to go from this high over here to this low, and we can see right there, if I get rid of that, look where our box that we just drew on the 4-hour time frame is sitting, exactly on this golden pocket. So let me get rid of this for now. We can see this golden pocket here is where we have rejected. So going forward, I need to see another higher low above this point. So right now we're trying to go down to there, but we've got key moving averages over here. So let's find another higher low, break through this, creating the reversal wave, breaking through this level over here. And then you need to push through the 107 area, because this was the old golden pocket over here, and we need to see price breaking through $110 for it to continue to 115, 120, and so on and so forth. So the risk right now is the reversal wave hasn't been made. We're at key levels of resistance at the moment, and so for that reason price could actually dump back off into this zone down here between $94 and $100, which again, heading back to my Twitter update, and I'm going to tell you guys, please go check out my Bitcoin update. It's already been posted, and that would be the scenario with Bitcoin coming back down to test key levels of support, looking to hold that bullish cross. Of course, if it were to be lost, this can get very negative very fast, and that's how Quant could potentially lose this key area of support, validating those patterns all the way down to $77 to $83. I'm going to show you a bit more details about the offers that I have at the moment, so click those links in the description. It'll bring you over to my link tree. Maybe something has already popped up in the top right corner for you to actually click. It's going to bring you to this, and you can again private message me over here for more details, or you can find more details over here. I'm going to click the course. The course is down to £90 until the 1st of July, and you will get 3 months for free in my Discord community. So I didn't mean to click that. If you head over to my homepage, this is where you can see other people taking action. So it was my birthday yesterday, and some people actually sent me some beer, so I really appreciate it. You could do that over here if you want. I'm not telling you guys, that's completely down to you. I told Tristan, you did not need to do that. Much appreciated. Of course, had some beers. I'm trying to get these videos out the way quickly as well today, so I can enjoy the rest of my birthday weekend, or whatever you want to call it. And so yeah, we had some members joining, had someone taking action on that discount, and one of the last mentorship slots was taken. So there were 2. Someone here is taking it, so there's 1 left for the mentorship slots, if that is, of course, if you are interested. So yeah, if you haven't already, please do subscribe if you're new around here. We're on the road to 6k, and over half of you are not subscribed, so it'll be way past 6,000 subscribers, as 3,000 of you tuned in to my update on Quant 2 days ago. Guys, that is absolutely insane. I think that's one of my best performing videos. I think that's the second best performing video. Without you guys, that wouldn't have been possible. So I really do appreciate all the support that I've been getting recently on the channel. There's not much more for me to say. I will just summarize it. Again, we need to see multiple key levels being broken, a pump through 105 to create this smaller reversal wave, because at the moment the risk is further downside. Again, that would be Bitcoin, as I said, coming down to test key levels of support. If Bitcoin, the beast, wakes up, continues with this potential bull pennant, this would be Quant breaking through 105. Again, we need to take out this high, as well as a little level higher than that at 110. We're just going to call it 110. So breaking through these 2 fib levels, which shouldn't be broken. Again, we should get rejected from here. Which we have, but we found that higher low, giving us another opportunity to go up, and we've got rejected again. So that's why this path is likely if Bitcoin were to continue lower. But we're at key levels of support, so let's see a reversal wave being created here, a break of this high, and another reversal wave being created over here. And of course, flipping that key area of 105 to 110 into support, and then we can see this follow through to 115, 120, which is again resistance. So from this area, should expect dumps. Can we hold inside of here? Can we just hold the area of 105, 110, and then actually push through on that occasion? Don't worry, I will be here to update you further. Again, if you're not subscribed around here, this is what you need to do to stay most up to date. I do also post stuff on my Twitter, so again, links in the description. Click that Twitter link, follow me. It's Louis_crypto. Make sure it's the one with the blue tick, because there are fake accounts out there. I've reported them. Twitter does not care anymore. So yeah, I'm going to play that little clip for you about my exclusive chat. But if you wanted to take action on the course and the mentorship, again guys, it will only last until the 1st of July, those that discount, and one slot is available on the mentorship. So that's it. I'll play that little clip for you guys right now, and I'll catch you in the next Quant update. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, and cheers. If you're looking to take your crypto knowledge and profits to the next level, I have an exciting opportunity for you. Introducing my exclusive paid Discord group chat, where I share insights and strategies that can help you maximize your gains. In this community, I provide you with the tools and guidance you need to succeed. So here's what you can expect when you do join. I share my personal investment levels. So this will help show how I strategically dollar cost average into various cryptocurrencies. You will gain access to the exact strategies I use to build a diversified portfolio, and this will help minimize risk while maximizing gains. I reveal all my investments, keeping you up to date on the latest coins that have caught my attention, so you'll receive exclusive insights on those projects that have promising fundamentals and growth potential. You're not going to find these cryptos on the YouTube itself. I also share my long-term targets, helping you identify trends and set realistic goals for your portfolio. You're going to gain a deeper understanding of market dynamics, which will enable you to make a more informed decision when trading. Chart patterns are crucial for successful trading, and in our group, you'll receive comprehensive analysis on those chart patterns to trade. You'll learn to recognize trends and execute profitable trades with confidence. The best part of the group is that you'll gain access to weekly group mentorship calls. Imagine having direct access to me and other experienced traders who are dedicated to your success. During these live sessions, we'll discuss market updates, answer your questions, and provide personalized guidance tailored to your needs. So if you're ready to speed up your crypto journey and join a community of like-minded individuals passionate about trading and investing, do not miss out on this opportunity, guys. Visit my website now, secure your spot in the community. All the links you need are found in the description down below. Together we'll unlock your true potential for financial freedom.